Starts quiet. One excuse. One I'll do it later. One scroll too long. But later's a liar. And comfort is a killer. So I made war with myself. I ain't lazy, I'm layered in fear. Clocks tick loud when the deadline's near. Said 5 more minutes, stayed 5 whole years. Tried to bury my purpose, but it clawed out clear. Been a victim of my vibe, drowned in delay. Watched dreams rot slow in a golden buffet. Till I snapped, said nah, this cycle's a scam. I'm not scared of the work, scared of who I am. I know the voice that says wait. I know that tone, it sounds like fate. But fate don't text back, fate don't flex. Fate ain't showing up till I send that rap. I'm battling procrastination, minute by minute. Every moment I lose, doubt's digging me in it. I'm not scared of the grind, I'm scared to begin it. But I fight that feeling, and I win it to win it. I'm battling procrastination, the war in my head. It's me versus me, and I'm done playing dead. No more maybe, no more hesitation. I show up now, battling procrastination. I ghosted goals, left them on red. Had blueprints rotting inside my head. Mastered the art of almost started. Built the fortress on half-hearted. I had talent but no torque, vision but no fork. Starving at a feast of dreams I could have eaten with one spark. So I punched my own pattern through hands with my habit. No genie, no magic, just sweat and the static. You know the feeling, that weight in your chest when you're dodging your destiny. That ache after a day where you did nothing but want everything. Yeah, that's not rest, that's rust. I'm battling procrastination, second by second. Every skip day's a throne. I reckon I'm not weak, I'm not broken, just chosen to change. And I'll fight through myself till I burn out the chains. I'm battling procrastination, the monster I made. But the version I'm building ain't here to fade. No more later, no negotiations. I clock it now, battling procrastination.
Excuses sound poetic when you're scared to fail, but comfort's a coffin disguised as a trail. The mind's a maze with mirrors and traps, and every delay is a thief with no mask. So I sharpen my focus like a blade in a forge. Killed off the comfort, now pressure's my torch. I don't crave motivation, I manufacture fire. And I show up daily like it's all I desire. I'm battling procrastination. Each time I move is a punch to the past and a shout to improve. No more waiting for perfect, no more hesitation. I'm not perfect, I'm present. Battling procrastination. This is war, this is work, this is self-dedication. No exit, no cheat code, just activation. Every breath, every action is self-declaration. I show up now, battling procrastination. It starts quiet, but now so do I. Then I get louder. Then I don't stop. Then I become everything I kept putting off.